Ever wondered how that chicken on your plate gets there? It's a journey that's more high-tech and fascinating than you might think. Forget old-fashioned farmyards. Today's poultry industry is a marvel of science, technology, and incredible efficiency. We're going on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour to see the entire process, from a tiny egg to the finished product in your grocery store. So, let's dive into the world of modern poultry farming. Our story begins not with a chicken, but with an egg. Welcome to the hatchery, the very starting point for billions of chickens every year. This isn't just a room full of eggs, it's a highly sophisticated incubation facility. Fertilized eggs arrive here and are placed into massive setters, which are essentially giant, intelligent incubators. Inside, everything is precisely controlled. Computers monitor and adjust the temperature to a perfect 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity levels are kept just right and mimic a mother hen's nest. But it's not just about keeping them warm. These machines also turn the eggs automatically, gently tilting them back and forth. This is a crucial step that prevents the developing chick from sticking to the inside of the shell and ensures it develops properly. Think of it as a gentle, robotic mother hen looking after thousands of eggs at once. For 21 days, these eggs are cared for with incredible precision. In the final few days, they're moved to hatching baskets. And then, the magic happens, a tiny crack appears, then another, and soon, thousands of fluffy, yellow chicks emerge, chirping and ready to start their lives. It's an incredible sight, a symphony of new life orchestrated by technology. Once they've hatched, the chicks don't stay in the hatchery for long. Within hours, they're carefully transported to a grow-out farm. These are huge, climate-controlled barns designed to provide the perfect environment for the chicks, now called broilers, to thrive. When they arrive, the barn is warm and cozy, with fresh bedding on the floor and easy access to food and water. These first few hours are critical, so farmers make sure everything is perfect for their new arrivals. The environment inside these barns is managed 24/7 by advanced computer systems. Sensors constantly track the temperature, humidity, and air quality, making automatic adjustments to fans and heating systems. This ensures the chickens are always comfortable, never too hot or too cold, which is essential for their health and well-being. Good ventilation is also key, as it removes ammonia and keeps the air fresh, reducing the risk of respiratory issues. The lights are often on a programmed schedule, providing periods of light for eating and activity, and periods of darkness for rest, mimicking a natural day-night cycle. Of course, a huge part of growing healthy chickens is what they eat. They're given a specially formulated feed, designed by poultry nutritionists. This isn't just random grain. It's a precise blend of corn, soybean meal, vitamins, and minerals that changes as the chickens grow. A young chick has different nutritional needs than a nearly grown bird, so their diet is adjusted over their lifetime to support optimal growth and health at every stage. Water is just as important, and it's available anytime through automated drinker lines that run the length of the barn. By providing this carefully managed diet and environment, farmers can raise healthy chickens in just a matter of weeks. Throughout this entire time, veterinarians and farm managers regularly check on the flocks to ensure they are healthy and thriving. After about 6 to 7 weeks, the chickens have reached their target market weight. The next stage of the journey is the processing plant. This part of the process is often misunderstood, but it's governed by strict regulations to ensure it's as humane and efficient as possible. The chickens are transported to the plant in specialized coops that allow for plenty of ventilation. Upon arrival, they're moved into a calm, low-light environment to reduce stress. The first step in processing is designed to be completely painless. The birds are humanely rendered unconscious using methods approved by animal welfare experts, like electrical water bath stunning. This ensures they are insensible to pain before any further processing occurs. From this point on, the process is almost entirely automated. Machines move the birds along a conveyor system through a series of stations. First, they pass through a scalder with hot water, which loosens their feathers. Then, they go through a defeathering machine, where rubber fingers gently remove the feathers. Next
They
comes
go
a
through a
feathering
defeathering machine,
where automated
where rubber
equipment
fingers
quickly
gently
and cleanly
remove the
removes
feathers.
the next. line, government inspectors and plant quality assurance staff are present, overseeing every step. They are constantly checking the birds, the equipment, and the procedures to make sure everything is safe, sanitary, and meeting all regulatory standards. It's a fast-moving, highly synchronized operation designed for maximum food safety and efficiency. With the main processing complete, we move into the final, critical stages, inspection and packaging. This is where quality control really kicks into high gear. Every single chicken is inspected by trained professionals, often multiple times. They look for any imperfections or signs of disease, and anything that doesn't meet the strict quality standards is removed from the line. In addition to visual checks, samples are regularly taken and sent to an on-site laboratory. Here, scientists test for bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter to ensure the final product is safe for consumers. This constant testing is a cornerstone of the industry's commitment to food safety. After passing all inspections, the chickens are thoroughly washed and then rapidly chilled. Chilling is a critical step to prevent bacterial growth and preserve freshness. This is usually done either through air chilling, where they pass through a chamber of cold air, or water chilling in a bath of ice-cold water. Once chilled to the correct temperature, the real sorting begins. Sophisticated machines with cameras and sensors weigh and sort the chickens. They can be directed down different lines to be packaged whole, or sent to be cut into specific parts like breasts, wings, and thighs. This cutting process, or fabrication, is also a mix of automation and skilled workers. Machines make the initial cuts, and then teams of butchers expertly finish the job, creating the precise cuts you see in the store. Finally, the chicken is packaged. Automated systems weigh the portions, place them in trays, wrap them, and apply the label. This label contains important information like the weight, price, use-by date, and the USDA mark of inspection. You'll guarantee that the product has passed all safety checks. From there, the packages are boxed, stored in a cold environment, and shipped out on refrigerated trucks to grocery stores and restaurants. So, there you have it, the incredible journey from egg to your dinner table. It's a process that has evolved dramatically over the years, driven by a relentless focus on science, technology, and safety. From the climate-controlled hatcheries and grow-out farms to the highly automated and inspected processing plants, every step is carefully managed. This modern system allows us to produce a safe, affordable, and consistent supply of protein for a growing global population. The next time you see chicken in the grocery store, you'll know the amazing story of efficiency and innovation that brought it there. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into the poultry industry. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how our world works. See you in the next video.